you, Gabe. This car makes me feel like a yeah. Oh, shit. Ah! Hey! Ah. There's no steering with this sucker, and it's a good one. Yeah, no dash, everything's missing. The car runs like shit. We need to fix it. We have a lot of work to do on this car. Just needs a little bit of love, a little bit of attention, and let's see how fast we're going. You can't tell how fast you're going. There's no damn speedometer anywhere. It's all, there's a new technology actually. This is how cars are gonna be 2026 and up. This is going to be the new way that they're going to come. Just wiring, and you just have to guess how fast you're going. The yellow wire shows you're actually going 20 miles per hour. The red wire, I don't know what that's for. There's a lot of colorful wires. So yeah, we're going to fix this car completely, you guys. It's going to be restored. It's going to be a good one. You guys know we love these older cars. We've done many. This is another one on the list. And yeah, we're going to do complete interior. Everything on the interior has to go. It's all a mess here. Yeah, we're doing everything. Pillars, door panels, complete dash, seats, carpet, flooring, everything, you name it. Exterior as well. We're not sure if we're gonna do paint or wrap yet, so we're still discussing about that. And then wheels we're doing, obviously mechanical is really, really bad. The car hasn't been driven forever, but it's running pretty good. Brakes, suspension, we're gonna check for leaks, all the other old stuff, everything that an old car can have. So we're gonna check everything, and that's basically it. Maybe put a nice sound system in here. So when the customer drives, you can put a radio station on and hear, yeah! Gotta be careful a little bit. We've ran into some difficulties. There's a couple of LAPD cars. Not that we've done anything wrong, but the problem is, this car is completely stripped. They're not gonna understand the whole concept that we're a customization center, that we're gonna build the car. They might think the car is stolen, so we have to play safe and park, and we're hopefully get back to the shop safe and sound. You're gonna break his arm.
No, it's slow.
Arm is turning red.
Yeah.
What kind of
Yeah.
you guys each other afterwards? Bentayga, is that what it is? What is this? I'm confused. All right, you guys, we have a Bentley Bentayga. This car is here for a quick service, nothing crazy. Oil change, filter. Also, the fluids are a little bit low. He's got some lights on the dash. We're gonna go ahead and take care of that. Do the reset procedure, check tire pressures, top off fluids, and get this thing right back to the customer.
The other day you tried.
Oh,
the other day you tried something else and you say, oh, it's good.
Yalla, yalla, close the door.
Hey, this one smells good inside.
Junior's coming right now. Yalla, yalla, yalla.
I let you stay inside for a little bit, and you come out, relax. Órale, muévete, güey. New AirPods, all the way.
You know, Junior left. He came and he left. Call him. Say, where's my slippers, you fucking asshole? No, the guy's stupid. He came and left. I don't know. Call him. He came and they were just putting the emblems on. He got mad because he needed the cars already. Oh man, everyone has an attitude. Very bad attitude, everybody. Why can't everybody just be like me? No attitude, relax.
No hair.
No hair. Yeah. So, Clear My Valve needs to come and detail this car. He came in and he saw that the emblems weren't put on. I told him, give me 5 minutes. He got mad and he left. Yeah, so that's that. Let's move on to one of the cars here. Lamborghini Huracan. You guys know this thing wasn't an accident. pretty bad accident actually. The front was pretty. It was worse than what it looked like. So it's all assembled now. We did all the mechanical. The coolers are all in. Brand new parts are good to go. Bumpers painted. Very hard color to match, by the way. Very, very difficult. We did it. It's all assembled. Good to go. Junior has to clean this one too. So
let's see if he shows up.
Let's see if he shows up for the first one. And then he'll probably show up for this one, leave and come back and leave and come back and leave. So.
No sé cómo decirle, pero I don't know how I told you, but over here, I have a little surprise. So this one is something cool, man. Look. 1, 2. Ábrete, Sésamo. Ha! Shut up, papi! You know, 1016 is my favorite body kit.
Your favorite one?
My favorite one, yeah. You want to see the quality. You don't have to do nothing. Just paint, because the shape, if you see the shape, it's extremely. So this is it. Wow!
Extremely
good. If you see all the edge, I'm gonna pass the edge right there. Stay there. Look at that. It's going. That. Look at this. That's the end by the doors. So we talk about quality. Anytime when you start with that, we do something, you know, always you have to by the time you make it better and better and better and better. So that's what happened right now. This one comes soon. Look at that. Wow. Ha! Thanks, Peter. You're doing better, Papa. This is the first one, okay? Don't be so happy. This one is fake muffler. This one is a fake exhaust tip. I have my translator right here behind the cameras.
I have pneumonia, so I can't breathe this guy's nasty breath. No, the body shop stuff. But we have a Range Rover kit, doing a wide body kit, 1016 Industries. We're gonna knock this one out fast. This customer wanted it done within 1 to 2 weeks, which is crazy. But we're doing it. The wheels are almost done. And now we gotta paint this kit really fast and put it on. So hurry up, again.
Get out of here. Hey, please go home, man. Go to sleep, go rest. What are you doing here? Oh yeah, you have to film, huh? You have to do the video anyway, okay?
He's back.
Yes, sir. Oh, here he goes. Mr. Clear My Valve. Make it to break it. He comes and he leaves and he's back again. We're gonna put one of the doors back now. This is very heavy. Lawrence. Fucking heavy. You hold it for fucking 10 minutes.
Okay, go guy.
You got it. Says Party.
Go guy.
Get the fuck out of here. I'm going in first? Yeah,
First fucking out.
Open. Okay, you know what? Let me hold it. There we go. There we go.
Ready, go. What do you want me to do? Tell me, because I don't know what I'm doing. Well, this guy takes 30 minutes to put the fucking door inside. That's why it's heavy. If you did it fast, if it's fast, it would be fast.
Dog, he's gonna throw water on this and call it a day, bro.
Clean the shit out of it. This car's been here for 2 years.
This car's been here when I got fired, when I quit,
Yeah,
when I came back. This car's been here through everything.
Yeah. He's almost as old as my kid.
All the people on there are gonna be like, yeah, he quit like 20 times. Like, why do they still take him back?
Where's Advanced? They're playing Houston. Round 1.
Hey, the only time Steph Curry did good, you saw it?
Yeah, he balled out. Today's Memphis. The Grizzlies played. It's a good one.
Let's go watch the Lakers tomorrow, first round. Crypto. $300
Lakers don't start tomorrow.
Yeah, they do. The Timberwolves. Saturday, my bad.
Saturday.
Sorry. Yeah, tomorrow's Saturday, bro. Tomorrow.
What are you doing?
Yes. Tomorrow.
The shop's
Call off.
closed.
What's the NBA?
Say that you're sick. Don't show up to work.